Hey guys, me again. I knew I'd forget something, and then, God, the other video, it's grown so long. I think I'm going to break it in half, but make it one long video and just having it a split in the middle and then link it for part 2. So you can just bail at the halfway point and come back if you would, please. I figured this is worth mentioning though. We talked about with minimal current flow, you won't drop much voltage, even in a defective part. Oh no, I'm getting tappy. Even in a defective part. I'm not good at being tappy. With minimal current flow, right? With no current flow, you'll see battery voltage here. So you want to load things down a little bit with some current draw. And that's where those little LED automotive troubleshooting lights are useless. They're useless. What's an LED draw? 15-20 milliamps? You know? An LED troubleshooter would have never found this problem. This 2 amps would have led you to that being the defective part, right? It would have dropped a whole volt across there, and it shouldn't. So I thought that worth mentioning. Okay, back in the house. I gotta connect this to the end of the other video. 73, guys.